If gusto nyo ng peaceful escape away from the city, fresh air, mountain vibes, and super chill na ambience, then this place is definitely for you. And this super static private mini pool, honestly, feels like a movie set. So, samahan niyo ko as we explore Camp Lema. Hi guys! It's your Beshi, Nimshi, and welcome to my vlog! So, from Manila to Real Quezon, ang estimated travel time is around 3 to 5 hours depende sa traffic and stopovers nyo. Usually, ang route is via Marikina Infanta Highway. And honestly guys, sobrang worth it ng road trip kasi habang palapit ka sa Real, mapapansin mo na yung fresh air, mountain views, zigzag roads, and sobrang ganda ng nature scenery. Parang unti-unti kang dinidetox from city stress. Ganon ang atake. And finally guys, nandito na tayo sa Camp Lema. First impression, sobrang relaxing. Literal na tahimik, malamig yung hangin, and surrounded by nature talaga. Parang mini Baguio vibe siya, pero mas peaceful and mas close ka sa nature. Perfect siya for barkada trips, couple getaway, family bonding, or kahit solo reset trip lang. So, exact 3:15 PM kami dumating sa Camp Lema. Medyo na late sa check-in since 3 PM ang check-in nila kasi naman nag-stopover pa kami sa Marilaketa de Rizal. So guys, ngayon I'm gonna show you yung binook namin na Basil's Cabin here at Camp Lema. First thing you will notice, ang ganda and ang linis ng interior. Simple but very relaxing yung design nila. Very modern yung cabin vibes pero warm and homey pa rin. After namin mag-check-in, nagbabalang kami ng gamit, then nagpahinga. Higa saglit, kasi sino ba namang hindi gaganang humiga sa bed na to, lalo na kung may maganda kang view. Look at this view guys. Imagine waking up here with fresh air, nature sounds, and serious city noise. Super peaceful talaga, parang ang sarap lang mag-disconnect muna from stress and enjoying slow mornings. Ganun. And para naman masulit namin, explore natin yung campsite. Okay guys, so if nagpa-plan kayo magstay dito sa Camp Lema, i-share ko na rin yung different accommodations nila and yung rates para may idea kayo kung ano yung best option for your trip. So first, meron silang tent house worth 100 pesos. Good siya for 2 packs and included na dito yung entrance and parking fee. May access na rin kayo sa natural pool, campers pool, and falls. Meron din silang big cabins like Lema's Cabin. Grabe guys, ang ganda ng A-frame design niya. Very cozy and Instagram worthy. The rate for this cabin is 10,000. Good for 5 to 10 person na. Included na dito yung free breakfast upon check-in. May mga gamit na rin siya like mattress, pillows, flat sheet, electric fan, sala, CR with heater, table and chairs. Plus, included na rin ang entrance and parking fee. So, pababa kami guys since gusto namin makita yung natural pool. Pagpasok pa lang guys, sobrang refreshing na agad ng ambience. Napapalibutan tayo ng mga puno, malamig ang hangin, at talagang mararamdaman mo na malayo ka sa stress ng city life. Actually guys, gusto talaga namin makita yung famous natural pool ng Camp Lema. Based sa review, maganda naman daw. The water comes from natural sources kaya malamig at very refreshing. Hindi na lang kami masyadong bumaba or hindi na lang kami pumunta sa mismong natural pool since madaming naliligo. Nandun yung mga campers, so naunahan kami ng hiya, ganun. After namin mag-explore sa Camp Lema campsite, syempre naghanap kami ng perfect spot para mag-relax at mag-recharge. Good thing, katabi lang mismo ng campsite ang Cafe Lema. Pagdating namin dito sa Cafe Lema, ang unang mapapansin talaga is yung peaceful atmosphere. From Cafe Lema, makikita or mapapansin dito yung Basil's Cabin na binook namin. No guys, ang sarap lang tumambay dito after a day of exploring. Feeling mo talaga nakapag-pause ka muna sa busy life. Actually, habang nagbo-voice over ako ngayon, parang gusto kong bumalik. Since medyo napagod kami sa pag-ikot sa campsite, we decided to order their matcha latte and matcha prof. Habang umiinom kami, mas na-appreciate namin yung ambience ng place. Minsan talaga hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang bonggang destination para makapag-relax. So guys, after namin mag-ikot sa campsite, mag-matcha at kumain, we decided to take a power nap since galing kami sa biyahe and puyat kami dalawa since may birthday dinner ako last night. And halos 4 hours lang yung tulog namin dalawa. Habang naghihintay kami i-turn on yung heater ng mini pool, bumaba muna kami kasi may kukunin kami sa kotse. And na-amaze talaga ako kasi mas maganda yung vibes dito at night, guys. And mala fairy house naman yung style nitong Basil's Cabin at night. And guys, this is one of the most aesthetic accommodations here, Basil's Cabin. And what makes this super worth it, may sariling small pool kayo plus free breakfast. Habang nag-iintay kami uminit yung tubig ng mini pool, nagpalit muna ako ng one piece and of course, outfit check! Good morning, guys! After namin mag-breakfast, nagpalit kami ng outfit. Cause girl, sobrang Instagram worthy ng cabin. Every corner parang aesthetic spot, perfect for travel photos, couple photos, reels, and cinematic videos. So yun guys, that was Basil's Cabin here at Camp Lema. If gusto nyo ng unique and cozy staycation experience, this place is definitely worth checking out. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. If you're looking for a relaxing nature getaway near Manila, I highly recommend checking out Camp Lema here in Real Quezon. Bye! See you in my next one!